Hey boys and girls. All right, so I got a grammar sheet here for the next 2 days that we're going to be working on. Your teacher does have a paper copy. If you'd rather do a paper copy, that is totally fine. However, if you are at home or you'd rather do it on Cami, that's okay too. It might take you a little bit longer to color things in. But what I was kind of thinking, if you are going to choose to do it on Cami, I know you guys know how to do that highlight thing, like the markup, and then you could depict your color. So like, let's say I'm doing yellow, because one of the things is pronouns in yellow. So you might want to do something like theirs is a pronoun and it highlights it in yellow. So that would be fine too if you guys don't want to like color over it. If you want to highlight it and mark it up based on what the colors are, that's totally fine too. So back to the directions. So we're supposed to use this key to help us color the different parts of speech and reveal the Thanksgiving theme picture. You all know that nouns are a person or place or a thing. You know that verbs are action words. You know that adjectives are words that describe nouns. Conjunctions are like words that connect other words. And right now I'm going to go ahead and type in conjunctions in here so we can go over a few of them. So it's a word or a clause like and, but, if. So what's nice about Google, sometimes when you use the image button, it works out a little bit better. So these are 100 conjunctions that you could use. So and, fourth, later, then, third, thus. These are all conjunctions, all right? We went over conjunctions at the beginning of the year. So over here, we've got coordinating conjunctions. So for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Those connect two parts of a sentence. Subordinating conjunctions, we talked about those as well. After, although, as far as, even though. These are connecting two separate ideas as well. Well, two of the similar ideas, but it's like two thoughts, and instead of writing two separate sentences, you connect them with conjunctions. Do you guys remember that? Hopefully you do. All right, so these are some examples. You guys can use Google to come up with them. If you guys don't remember all of your conjunctions, I think the fanboys is a good one to help us remember, is fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet. So when you're doing this, conjunctions, there's only two of them. So when you do find them, you can highlight them in red. Oh, I forgot to mention that part. Underneath, there is a number that goes along with how many are within the picture. So if you found two, then you're done with the red. You're done with conjunctions. Pronouns are how we refer to people. So he, she, it's a noun is a person, but this would be like pronouns is like describing that person as without saying their name. So I'm just going to type in pronouns. These are all of your pronouns. So he, she, they, them, him, his, her. It's talking about persons or people, but referring to them without saying their name. That's what a pronoun is. All right, and then interjections. Interjections are, I believe we went over these earlier. Images. Yeah, we did. It's when you say like, and then you keep going on with the word. So, huh, or help, or drat. It's kind of just like a short sentence that helps us understand what's going on and the feeling that's in the sentence. So an interjection, it looks like there's only one in here, so I think you'll be able to find it pretty easily. Again, just either highlight it on this or you can color it in on your paper. I don't know if I see it. These are kind of hard to see, so you might want to zoom in when you're doing it. Go over here and zoom it in. Okay? Remember, again, You've got nouns, verbs, adjectives, conjunctions, pronouns, interjections. What I would do is I would do the ones that I know for sure that I know. So like herself, I know for sure that that is a pronoun. So I would do that one and get it over with. And then you'll be left with some that you might have questions on. Then ask your teacher, hey, I have a question on this one, okay? I think you guys will be able to handle this. You have 2 days to get it done. If it looks like you're about halfway through on Monday, you can stop and pick it up again on Tuesday. It is due Tuesday at the end of the day, though. And yeah, that's it. All right, let us know if you are having a hard time.